can't believe it! I can't believe it! I can't believe it!
Do you have the time? I'll turn around the sign and sing for you. Do, do, do. Now let's open up some boxes, medium, big, large or small. Do, 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 do. Let's open up the door and find out what we have in store. Unbox Shop.
Oh, hello. Welcome to the Unbox Shop. My name's Joey and I'm here to show you the best toy news, reviews and unboxings with the help of my toy tester Brian. Say hello, Brian.
Hi everyone, my name is Brian and welcome to my studio. It's much nicer than Joey's. Hey Joey, would you like to hear a joke?
If you really have to, Brian, go on then.
What did the doctor say to the toilet? You look a bit flushed. Back to you, Joey.
Yes, thank you very much, Brian. Hilarious. I'm sure the viewers wanted to hear that joke. Anyway, today we are opening one of these. Super Mario Lego. There are 10 to collect in each series, and this is Series 1. I'm only going to open one of these today. I'll open the next one in the next video. But which one shall I open? This one or this one? This one or this one? I'm going to open this one. Now, I'm not going to tell you which is my favourite character. You'll have to guess as we open up the series. Here we go. Let's open up the very first one. I'm so excited. I love Lego and I love Super Mario as well. Here goes. Quite easy to open these. Now I'm going to pour the contents of the Lego onto the table. Here goes. Which character are we going to get? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it! I have no idea which character this is. Now, it's okay if all of the pieces go everywhere like it has done here. One piece fell over that side, and I think one piece fell over down here. It is the Unbox Shop after all. There are pieces everywhere in this shop. On first glance, I'm not too sure about which character it is, but it does come with a little leaflet. Let's open up the leaflet, shall we, and have a look and see. Ooh, I think it might have every character on this. Let's find out. I'm going to turn around and show you which character it is. Are you ready? It's this Bomb character, B-O-M-B. I absolutely love Bomb, the character in Super Mario. Also, on the back of the leaflet, it also shows you all of the different characters that are in the series. Now, let's have a look a little bit closer at the pieces. I'm going to turn this over as well so that I can see the instructions. There's quite a few pieces in this, and it does say that this is 6+, so 6+, so it might be a little bit dangerous for the little ones, but 6+, it's good with me. Now, it says to start off with the first main piece, which is this piece here. Then I have to put on the main block. Now this reminds me of my childhood. Look at this. It's the main block, one of the main blocks of Lego. I love these pieces. Now let's pop it on. Now it says to pop it on the side there, so I'll put it on there, just like that. Then it says to put on the two sides. So one goes there, like that. If you can't see, it's because it's quite intricate. There you go. Popped it on there like that. And the next one goes on there. Now that is the base of the Lego. Fast forward now to when I've finished the piece. Here we go! Okay, I've finished the base. This is what the base looks like of the Bob on. Now, it's quite intricate first of all at first looking at it, but I did get it in the end. It took me a while. Now, to finish off the Bob on. There we go. I have finished the Bob-omb. Look at him there. He has a flame at the top and he also has his little crank at the back as well, which is brilliant. All part of the series too. Now let's finish him off and pop him on the top here like this. He pops on the top. Turn him round so he's looking towards the front. And how brilliant is that? My very own Bob-omb. Now, I have been told in this leaflet that if you have the Super Mario game, Lego game, you take the Super Mario, the Mario figure, and you bounce him on top of the Bob-omb, and he'll make a noise, especially for this character. So it really is worth collecting all of the season's pieces and every single character. They've also given me extra pieces just in case I lose the top bit like I opened it earlier. It went absolutely everywhere. Now, it's time to show this to our toy tester, Brian. Brian, catch!
Thanks, Joey. Look at him. He's so cute. But as Joey said, these pieces are quite hard to put together, so I'll probably have to ask an adult. But that's okay. I love Lego. Back to you, Joey.
Remember, there's 10 out of Series 1 to collect for Lego Super Mario, and I'll open the next one on the next video. It's time for me to go now. I've got loads of stuff to unbox. Say bye-bye, Brian.
Bye, Brian. Oh, and don't forget to watch our other videos here. Bye, Joey.
Goodbye, everyone, and I'll see you again at the Unbox Shop.